Beta RR 300 Best Enduro Motorcycles. Just about every manufacturer out there now offers enduro motorcycles, but the best enduro bikes usually carry the names KTM, Yamaha, Honda, Suzuki and Husqvarna. New players on the scene are Gas and Beta. With so many different types and brands of enduro motorcycles on the market, finding the right one can be a challenging task. If you don't know where to start when buying an enduro motorcycle, we've got you covered. This piece highlights the best enduro motorcycles on the market in 2022. Our top picks for choosing these enduro motorcycles are based on a broad criterion, such as power, speed, tank capacity, transmission, starter type and weight. Let's dive right in. Monomoto's top choices for the best enduro motorcycle. Beta RR 300. First of all, Beta RR 300 Enduro motorcycle is on our list of the best enduro motorcycles in 2022 because of its suitability for short riders. With a 9.7L tank, a light frame, and counterbalance, this enduro bike is a serious contender for the best enduro motorbikes available on the market. Secondly, this enduro motorcycle is on our list because of its raw power and minimalism. Dry weight: 103.4 kilograms, 2,281 pounds. Power: 38.9 horsepower. Top speed: 95 miles per hour, 153 kilometers per hour. Starter: electric with optional kickstart. Tank capacity: 9.7L, 2.55 gallons. Transmission: 6-speed. Wheel size: 21 inches front, 18, rear. Fuel system: injection cooling system. Liquid seat height: 36.6 inches. Engine type: single cylinder, 2-stroke clutch. Wet multi-disc. Color options: red, black, white. Price: $9,199. Who makes the best enduro motorcycles? While there are many great enduro manufacturers on the market, KTM tops the list of the best enduro motorcycle brands, with Yamaha, Husqvarna and Honda close behind. What is the difference between dual sport and enduro? Enduro motorcycles are smaller, lighter and more adapted for high speeds on rough terrain. Enduro bikes are capable of multiple disciplines, from rally and enduro racing to riding on technical terrain. Dual sport motorcycles, on the other hand, are larger, heavier motorcycles designed for both off-road and on-road use. What size enduro motorcycle should I take? The size of the enduro motorcycle you buy will depend on several factors, most notably your level of experience, weight and height. It is usually recommended that beginners go for an enduro motorcycle of between 250cc to 350cc. A 450cc enduro dirt bike might be too powerful for a beginner, and trust us, a 250cc dirt bike has a lot of bite. On the other hand, some of the 450cc enduro bikes, like Honda's CRF line, are known for their stability and reliability, so when all is said and done, pick what feels right for you. Are enduro bikes reliable? The answer is a resounding yes. Enduro bikes are not only reliable, but also durable and able to withstand extreme conditions. KTM's may be a little more erratic than the more reliable Hondas and Yamahas, but in general, dirt bikes are meant to be abused, and withstand that abuse. Go with the enduro that feels good for you. With all this information at your fingertips, what are the deciding factors that determine what kind of enduro motorcycle you go for? We all have our own reasons for wanting an enduro dirt bike. Something as simple as seat height can be very important when making a purchase decision. Your body type, intended use and how complex your riding style will be are some of the things to consider. Whatever type of enduro bike you buy, keep in mind the maintenance tips we've discussed here. And, as always, be safe out there.